From the Bob Mills Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, Alan Crone.
Okay, so if you're up early this morning, kind of concerned about the weather in far eastern southern Oklahoma, it's a short window for severe storms, but we're in it right now. It's 14 in front of the hour. Technically, we have a tornado watch in these general areas. Tulsa County is no longer included in the tornado watch, even though we do have some showers nearby. And we'll have another opportunity for showers at midday, maybe a rumble of thunder. Those would not be severe. Basically, from around the Tahlequah area, Muskogee south to about McAllister, this quadrant right in through here, that's where our severe weather threats are going to continue on that we'll be monitoring here. And by the way, that's a tornado warning in northwestern Arkansas. There's no warnings right now, but we do have some stronger storms that are trying to organize a little bit. Some of those parameters over the next hour and a half will strengthen right along the Oklahoma-Arkansas state line area. So heavy storms, Tenkiller, Stillwell, light showers, Tahlequah, heavy storms, Chakotah. But when we draw this line from Eufaula to Wilburton to Lake Sardis to the Clayton area, this is moving east-northeast at about 55, almost 60 miles an hour. That alone can cause some 50 to 55 mile per hour wind gusts within this general area. And we have additional storms that may also cause a little bit of concern around Wilburton and Quentin with some gusty winds that could quickly come up. So Wilburton 451, the Red Oak area at 507, Tallahena at 508, and that's mostly for that line, but we do have some storms also that are gaining some momentum. So to be clear here, these are below severe level criteria right now, but they're getting stronger, and the potential is there for some of these to become severe. And we do have a tornado watch, which means conditions are favorable for severe storms that could produce a quick tornado in that general area. Von Castor is near Sallisaw. He's in generally some heavy rainfall. J.D. McManus is in Muskogee, and he's dropping southbound, and he's going to get into some of that heavy thunderstorm activity pretty quickly here. And then Brandon Wells in the Tahlequah vicinity, mostly light showers, but the winds are picking up, and the cold front is well west of our area. So the cold front will sweep across the area at midday, and that's going to bring some chilly weather. So here's the current outline of the tornado watch that goes on for the next couple of hours. Tulsa, we're in the 60s right now. We'll kind of come down to about 50 around 10 to 11, and then the rest of the day we're going to be in the 40s with a stout north wind. We're at 63 right now and a strong south wind. So to be clear, this is the warmer part of the morning underway. Lots of spots in the 60s around the Tulsa metro. Southeastern Oklahoma is close to 70 in Latimer, LaFleur County. I don't know if you can see that green that's showing up right there around the K County, Ponca City area. That's the colder, cooler weather that's going to be filtering into the area. So by 10 o'clock, we've got the northwest breeze. All of those strong storms, unfortunately, will be in places like Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. They've had several severe storms this season already. And we still have the potential for a few spotty showers, but by 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon, the temperatures will be in the mid-40s from Tulsa to the west and kind of dropping down into the 50s across far southeastern Oklahoma. Clouds will clear out late tonight, early tomorrow morning for most of the area. Temperatures tomorrow morning will start in the 30s. Now, there might be just a little bit of a sprinkler shower that'll brush far northern Oklahoma tomorrow midday, but that's a very low probability. And then temperatures tomorrow will top out in the upper 50s with sunshine and a north breeze. So this will be turning chilly through the day. First part of the morning, 60s. Later today, 40s. You might feel a little, kind of silly taking a jacket or a coat this morning when you step outside, but after the midday time period, those temperatures are going to drop. We're still monitoring the potential for severe storms for the next hour or two, Amy, in southeastern Oklahoma.